Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Welcome back, brothers and sisters. In this video, inshallah, I have highlighted and did some things a little bit different. Inshallah, I appreciate your comments if you guys like this style a little better and if it helps you to read a little bit better for those who have been following the class. Please let me know. Thank you. We are here. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. We'll read slow. أولا يعلمون أولا يعلمون أن الله أن. This is highlighted just slightly. I decided to highlight those ones that require غنة, a little bit of a nasal sound that you make by vibrating the top part of the nose. So أولا يعلمون أن الله يعلم أن الله يعلم ما. I'm going to slow it up again. أن الله يعلم ما يسرون يسرون. Notice the waw has a sukoon. It's not written. Inshallah, you probably have been able to figure that out. ما يسرون وما يعلنون وما يعلنون. ومنهم أميون. So ومنهم is easy. On the meme, there's a shadda, ummiyuna. Because the ya has a shadda, ummiyuna. La ya'lamuna. La ya'lamuna. So what I did slightly here is write in English as well. لا يعلمون الكتاب. This arrow is just letting you know. Long alif. الكتاب إلا أماني إلا أماني وإنهم. There's no stretching on the in. وإنهم إلا يظنون إلا يظنون. فويل للذين. I wrote it in English because jumping from the dhammatain into the lam with another lam right after. فويل للذين. للذين in English, if it helps. If not, don't worry about that, okay? فويل للذين يكتبون النل. The noon there, this drops, followed by the lam. يكتبون, this noon, nal, this drops, goes into the lam there. يكتبون الكتاب كتاب. You follow that? بأيديهم. Yeah, there with the sukoon extends this. بأيديهم بأيديهم. ثم يقولون ثم يقولون هذا long, this makes the ha extended. هذا من عند الله. I highlighted this because this is إخفاء. You have a noon sakina followed by a dal, so it becomes min indillahi, as opposed to min indillahi without any extending or anything. Min indillahi, okay, the correct way would be to extend that. Min indillahi هذا من عند الله. Okay, li, let's break this down. Li, lam, kasra, li, yashtaru, liyashtaru bihi. This rights extend just slightly. لِيَشْتَرُوا بِهِ ثَمَنًا. Why is this highlighted? Because you have a qaf after a fathatain, which is a letter that makes ikhfa. بِهِ ثَمَنًا قَلِيلًا. ثَمَنًا قَلِيلًا. Okay, so this an is because of the qaf becomes ikhfa. ثمنا قليلا فويل لهم. فويل لهم مما. This has ghunna again. فويل لهم مما كتبت أيديهم وويل لهم مما يكسبون. So this وويل لهم, this meme is going to join with that لهم مما يكسبون. Okay, inshallah that covers these ayahs. Inshallah it's written which ayahs we covered. If you like that we highlighted and wrote it the way it did, inshallah, please post that. Otherwise, we'll go back to the way we used to do the other videos. Jazakumullah khair. Allah bless you all and make us all, inshallah, lovers and people of the Quran. Assalamu alaikum.